ByteDance has come up with a new kind of model, and the model is Ouro. Ouro is a very interesting word. This literally comes from Ouroboros, the ancient symbol of a serpent eating its own tail, representing recursion and self renewal. Ouro, in this case, is a new kind of LLM that changes how models think. Instead of reasoning only when generating text, like traditional LLMs that use chain of thought after training, Ouro learns to reason during pre training. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member as that helps a lot. In this video we are going to install this Ouro locally and I will be testing it out. But I believe more importantly it is extremely important to understand what exactly has changed or new in this model. This model uses a looped architecture where the same transformer layers are applied repeatedly in a loop. This lets the model perform multiple rounds of internal computational, like thinking through a problem step by step without adding more parameters. Thanks to this design and its massive 7.7 trillion token training process, Ouro's smaller models like 1.4 billion, which we are going to install, and there is also 2.6 billion parameter flavor, both of them perform as well as much larger standard models. And you can see that here on this screen. There is a key innovation which I really want to explain to you, but for now let's get installation underway and I will be talking about that key innovation which I believe is at the heart of this model. I am going to use this Ubuntu system. I have one GPU card NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a VM or GPU or CPU on very affordable price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. So please do check them out. Okay, so our virtual environment is almost there. And now let's install all the prerequisites, which primarily are the torch and transformers. While that happens, let's talk a bit more around what I was talking about, the key innovation. The key innovation is called as scaling latent reasoning, which means Ouro improves not by storing more information, but by getting better at using what it already knows. The model processes information iteratively in its internal space, which is also called as latent space or hidden space, refining and combining ideas before producing an answer. Its training includes an entropy regularized objective that lets it dynamically decide how many reasoning loops to run based on input complexity. So simple questions may use fewer loops, while complex ones trigger deeper reasoning. This allows Ouro to scale its reasoning depth intelligently, making a shift from models that grow by size to models that grow by internal reasoning ability. And that is the key idea behind this model. I am very bullish on this new innovation and I'm more than sure that is going to be used in various models and you will see on every side of spectrum. And now let's log into the Hugging Face because we need to download the model as everything is installed and I am logged in now. Now in order to download the model, all you need to do is to either you can download it from Hugging Face or let me first launch my Jupyter notebook and then we will download the model there. Okay, now let's download the model. I'm just going to use the transformers and the model is being downloaded. The size is very small. You can see 2.87 gig. Okay, so it has given me an error. I think I just gave one. Okay, so what this is telling me is that I just need to update my torch version. So let me quickly do that. And after updating the torch, the model is now loaded. And if I quickly show you the VRAM consumption for this base pre-trained model, it is just over 3 gig. And you can of course fine tune it as per your own use case. So I'm just going to generate the next token. The prompt is simple. We are tokenizing it and then we are printing the output. And there you go. This is the response of the model. And remember, this model is not post trained or fine tuned at all. This is just a world knowledge as per that looped language, which I um, specified earlier. And even then, the quality of this pre-trained model is quite good, as you can tell from that prompt. Now if you want to have a post-trained one, a reasoning model on chain of thought, you can go with the thinking flavor. So let me download that one, and that model is now being downloaded, and that is all done. And you can see that after fine tuning, the model size has jumped to around 5.34 gig. So let's try this one out. And I'm just going to go with this math equation, and I'm rest of it is same. So let me run this. And while it runs, this is a VRAM consumption, just over 8 gig of VRAM it is consuming. And the model has given the output. Now more than the output, I think the main thing here, the main takeaway I would say, is to take that latent reasoning trace which I mentioned earlier. So model is actually doing that iterative latent reasoning trace, where each token sequence you see is a result of the model repeatedly reprocessing its hidden state through shared transformer layers across multiple recurrent steps. In each loop, the model refines its internal representation rather than simply extending the text, and that is the main thing. And that is what you need to understand in the light of what I described earlier, where this whole process, which is called as iterative latent computation, enables the model to perform deeper reasoning without increasing its parameter count. The same weights are reused several times, letting it think longer. In hidden space, as you can see, it is thinking again and again without increasing its parameter count, and that is where it is not taking that much VRAM. So the final result is correct, but the more importantly, all the step explanations, code verification, and even reflective commentary is quite refined. So very impressive stuff from ByteDance, both the base model and the reasoning model. Check it out. Let me know what do you think. Please like the video and subscribe. And more importantly, please do me a favor and become a member so that I could carry on making these videos. I cannot really stress enough that how much I count on your support. Also, one more thing I wanted to specify is that if you need any help with any AI project for commercial purposes, if you are looking for AI consultancy, reach out. Happy to build the AI project for you. I already have built hundreds of projects for various clients across the globe. So happy to help you out, and we can really make it happen. Thank you for all the support.